friends, how's it going and welcome back to another video. So today we are up close and personal because I am doing a makeup video. Today we're going to be doing a then versus now makeup challenge. You've probably seen this challenge all over TikTok. Some YouTubers have been doing it. And I'm a little bit late to the trend, but I'm finally doing it. So basically how this video is going to work is half of my face is going to be how I did my makeup in 2016, and the other side of my face is going to be how I do my makeup now. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start by drawing a line down the center of my face, and it always helps if I have a mirror in front of me, which I always forget in these videos. Okay, so I'm gonna be using I think this is like an eyeliner. It's just like a makeup color pencil in white, and I'm literally just gonna try and draw as straight as I can down my face. Let's see how this goes. Oh, I'm not even wearing my glasses, so I don't even know if I can do this straight. Okay, I think that's as straight as I'm gonna get it. It's a little bit wonky and I had to like draw my double chin, but we're just gonna ignore that. Okay, so this side of my face, I'm gonna do the 2016 and this is gonna be 2021. So we're gonna start with the base makeup. So in 2016, I was very much into heavy makeup. I feel like everyone was in 2016, but I feel like styles have changed so much and everyone does like natural makeup now. But in 2016, it was all about the full coverage, heavy, glam makeup. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start off with foundation. I'm using this one here, which is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. I need to like pour this on something. I'm just gonna pour it on the back of my hand. Okay, and then I used to use a beauty blender. I'm just gonna spray it with some water and then let's dab it on. Oh, it's so thick. I also just re-dyed my hair and I really don't want to get makeup all in it. Okay, I think that's pretty much blended. Oh my gosh. Look at the difference. That's like really scary. Oh, it's all in my hair. So yeah, this is foundation done. As you can see, there's a big shade difference. I feel like it blends in with my neck pretty well. Maybe my face is just a different color to my neck normally without makeup, but yeah, that's a huge difference. That's really creepy to look at. Oh, it's just so thick. I used to use so much product. That's why I just kept adding layers and layers, because that's literally how I used to do it. And there's nothing wrong with that if that's the kind of thing that you're into, but these days my skin is dry and I just don't want all this product on it. Yeah, I'm getting old and it just clings to everything. It's just not my vibe anymore. But we're gonna do concealer now. So this is a concealer I use. It's the Rimmel London Lasting Matte Concealer, and I'm just gonna put a bit under my eyes. And just on any spots that somehow the 5 layers of foundation didn't cover. Okay, I'm now looking like a ghost, but I'm gonna do my 2021 side at the same time. So I basically just go in with a primer and a concealer, and that's my base pretty much done. So I'm gonna put the primer on. So I'm using this one here. This is the Revolution Hydrate and Prime Primer. And I'm going to put that over this side of my face. And now I'm going to go in with the same concealer. Okay, so I'll fix the line up at the end so you can see the differences. But that's how the base is looking. I think it looks surprisingly similar, which is weird. This one just looks a whole lot more cakey. Before I do powder, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, because in 2016 I did shape my eyebrows with concealer and then I put powder over that. So we're gonna do the brows. I would always use a very thick eyebrow pencil, so I'm gonna be using this one here. This is the Rimmel London Brow This Way eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to start by brushing my hairs up and then lining and filling them in. If you've seen my makeup tutorials before, you've seen me do this a million times. now I'm going to use some of this concealer and I'm just going to shape my eyebrows. Okay, so that eyebrow's done. I'm going to go and do my other eyebrow now. So I'm going to be using this product here. This is the Maybelline New York Brow Ultra Slim. And I'm going to do the same by brushing it up and then outlining the top and the bottom. And then just very lightly drawing little hair strokes. And then brushing it. And then to finish the brows on this side, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Wonderful Brow Mascara. This one has little fibers in it and it's also coloured. And then on this side, I'm going to be using the Benefit Clear Brow Mascara. And this basically just holds my eyebrow hairs in place because I've got quite thick brow hairs, but it's still going to give you that natural look because it's clear. Okay, brows are done. I feel like it's a pretty drastic difference. Yeah, that's what they're looking like. So yeah, this one is shaped with concealer. This one isn't. This one's more of a fluffy, lighter, natural sort of brow. Yeah, I used to sculpt them with concealer all the time. And I still will do it if I'm doing a very glam look, like if I'm going out somewhere, which obviously we haven't done in like a year because of COVID, but yeah, it's just a lot. It's adding more product and yeah, my skin just doesn't want that all the time. But we're gonna finish the face. So I do still powder my face with loose powder. So I'm just gonna do that on both sides, but I'm using this one here. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Actually, one difference is that I used to use a beauty blender, picking up some product and then dabbing it on. It's gonna get all over my black t-shirt. And then with this side, I just use a fluffy face blending brush. Okay, so the rest of my base hasn't really changed that much. I'm gonna be contouring, so I'm using this one here. It's covered in fingerprints, so just excuse that. It's a Revolution Roxy Contour and Highlight Palette. And then same with the blush, I still do it the same. I'm going to be using this one here. This is the Australis Show Some Cheek blush. And my blush brush is actually broken at the moment, so this is what it looks like. It's snapped off the handle and I need to get some glue to fix it. Okay, now highlighter. Okay, base I think is finished. So now we're going to move on to eyes. Okay, so that's my eyeshadow done. 2016 I would do just a sort of smoky eye, sometimes a bit of shimmer. Sometimes I would actually cut the crease to make the shimmer a bit more, what's the word, pigmented. And this eye, 2021, I just chuck on some eyeshadow and that's pretty much it. Sometimes I wouldn't even wear eyeshadow. Now we're going to go on with eyeliner. I'm just going to do a simple black wing for both of them. And then I'll add a bit more to this side after that. So the shape is a tiny bit different. Also now I tend to do it pretty thin on my inner part of my eye and then pretty thick. Whereas this side I didn't really care too much. I just sort of just did it as best I could. So for this I usually used a black eyeliner pencil and I would do my waterline. Okay, just like that. I forgot how much it makes my eye water. I kind of want to get back into doing my waterline just because I feel like it makes it more like, I don't know, like gothic. It makes my eyes stand out more, but let me know what you think, which eye you prefer. But we're going to do mascara now. So I'm going to be using this one here. This is the L'Oreal Paris telescopic extra black mascara, and nothing has really changed with this really. Okay, mascara is done. I'm just going to quickly set my face before I keep going. Okay, so now for this side, I'm going to be doing some pretty thick lashes. I used to wear lashes literally every single day, and now I rarely ever use them. So I'm going to be using these lashes, which I actually just got today. So I haven't tried them before. I've tried this brand before and I love them. They're just cheap ones from Kmart. I haven't tried this style. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird wearing lashes on one eye and not the other. This is such a weird feeling. Okay, so now we're gonna do lips. I probably should have done my lashes last because it's gonna be really hard to do. Basically my favorite lipstick back then was this one here. This is, I think it was like Mark by Avon. I went to like their opening launch in like Sydney and got this for free. So this is in the shade Rose Kisses. But I just remember loving this lipstick. The formula is actually amazing. It's very thick. I don't remember it being this thick. Okay, so that's it for lipstick. So the way I do my lipstick now is I overline my lips like pretty massively. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so the lipstick I like to use now is this one here by Morphe. This is in the shade Cream Forevs, I think. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. I think we're pretty much done. I'm gonna fix the lineup on my face. So pressure's on to get it as straight as last time. Okay, and we're finally finished. So this is 2016 Emily makeup. And this is 2021. So let me know in the comments which side you prefer. To be honest, I don't think they're that different, except for like the feeling on my face. Like I can feel that this side has a lot of product. The lashes are heavy. My brows, like one slight movement could just completely destroy them. Whereas this side feels a lot more natural. Yeah, it just feels a lot more healthy and glowy. Yeah, I personally prefer this side. But yeah, let me know down below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. Like this video, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I will see you all next week with another video. Bye!
Yeah, you know that I only roll with real ones. Not the type to front or make me feel dumb. Cause I got aspirations, baby, real ones. So you know I